This is Aunt Margaret's house. Used to be the store. This is the back side, back porch. This was a cooling area. Used to keep pop cases in here, I'm told. Make our way into the house. Kitchen. Well cleaned out now and ready to go. Bathroom. This bathroom was installed in 1974. Clearly has not been used in a very long time. This was her sitting room. TV was over there. I helped to put this carpet in a number of years ago. Our bedroom, which remained under lock and key all the time. And you can hear the crunch of the linoleum under my feet. This is the first floor, by the way. A closet over here. Into the front room. And there's the front door. And here's where the gold furniture used to be. Here's the doorbell. There's some of her flowers. Looking back, this was a formal living room. Parlor. See all the way back through the house there. And that's the front door. When she couldn't walk very well anymore, we put that mailbox in. And here's the whole house. This used to be the general store. And we're going to go up those stairs to the second floor.